Tired of squinting at tiny screens? Imagine projecting your favorite movies, presentations, or even video games onto a wall. Anywhere you go, the Kodak Ultra Mini Portable Projector turns that dream into reality. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers surprisingly crisp HD images up to 100 inches, transforming any space into your personal cinema. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or a professional on the go, this tiny projector packs a punch. Get ready to ditch the limitations of small screens and embrace the big picture, all from the palm of your hand. Intrigued? Keep reading to discover how this mini marvel can revolutionize your viewing experience. Kodak Ultra Mini Portable Projector, brand name. Kodak, recommended uses for product. Home cinema, gaming, business, special feature. Built-in speaker, portable, pocket, built-in battery, built-in media player, connectivity technology. Micro SD, USB, HDMI, 3.5mm jack, display resolution, 640 by 360 pixel, item weight, 5.3 ounces. Product dimensions, 3 by 3 by 0.8 inches, item model number, RODPJS75, batteries. 1 lithium polymer batteries required, included. Color name, silver. Special features, built-in speaker, portable, pocket, built-in battery, built-in media player, speaker type. Built-in, item display height, 45mm. About this item. The Hollywood standard. Advanced DLP optical engine boasts superior LED brightness, exceptional color accuracy, and pristine picture quality. Best performance when used in dark to dim-lit room. Palm-sized perfection. Smallest and lightest DLP projector in the world slips conveniently into your handbag, briefcase, or back pocket for home, work, business, or play. Contemporary compatibility. Onboard media player includes room-filling built-in speakers, 3.5mm input, and integrated HDMI, USB, and micro SD hookup. HDMI. Connect to Android, tablets, and devices. Please check with your device's manufacturer if the device is HDMI compatible. Plug, project, play. No complicated buttons or menu screens. Just connect to your favorite PC or Mac, cable box, gaming console, or HDMI video player. Gaming grade color. Capable of displaying 16.7 million colors. Enjoy rich, lifelike detail for your favorite video games, movies, photo slideshows, and more. Product description. Make cinema magic with the ultimate multimedia companion. Enjoy stunning HD video and imaging in the palm of your hand with the small DLP pocket projector from Kodak. Integrating revolutionary innovations in compact digital design, this miniature movie player produces high-quality imaging in a truly portable package. Transport to the fantasy world of your choice with a booming 1W speaker and dazzling 16.7 million color display. Compatible with today's most popular entertainment devices, the projector includes a 3.5mm audio output and integrated HDMI, USB, and micro SD hookups. Simply connect your PC, Mac, cable box, gaming console, or HDMI video player without the hassle of complicated buttons and menu screens. Just plug, play, and experience a pocket full of possibilities. What you get: 1X DLP pocket projector from Kodak. An integrated 1W speaker, effortless onboard controls, the tiniest big screen movie projector in the world. Technical details. The tiniest press play 100 max screen. Set up the projector on a flat surface either indoors or outdoors. Hook up your favorite device and prepare to be amazed. Hook up your favorite device and prepare to be amazed. Load your media, press play, and behold the pocket-sized power. Make a big impression among family. Compatible with Apple Mac, Microsoft PC computer, Android phone tablets, Samsung Galaxy laptop smartphones. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.